Kaylin, give her a hug. No, wait. Kaylin's looking a little bored.
Luna, leave that alone.
Don't let that fall. It's gonna hurt. Or you put y'all on it and throw y'all down the hallway. Kaylin, follow Luna. Follow Luna. Give Luna a kiss. Go give Luna a kiss. Go give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Give Luna a kiss. Tell Luna no.
Sit down, you said, but he's already sitting down. Hey, Luna, no ma'am. You're stealing it. No! Don't take it from me.
Yummy.
You do it? Here. You film for a minute?
What a ham. That's my face.
You talking to it?
Give her a hug. Give her a hug.
Can you do this one? You do it. Like that. Hey, can Mommy have it back?
Yeah, I'm done with it.
Can I see this video? What are you doing with it? Can I see it?
Give her a hug. Give her a Give her a hug. Give her a kiss. Give Luna a kiss. Kaylin, give Luna a kiss.
I'm filming the floor. I'm pressing a whole bunch of buttons. Probably turn it off now.
Kaylin, give Luna a kiss.
That was wrong. No, ma'am.
No.
You okay?
No.
She smacked you on the head?
Go say sorry. Oh, run into her mama. Mama ain't there.
Come here.